So bro, why are you doing your own hair? तेरा स्टाइलिस्ट आज छुट्टी पे है क्या?
नहीं यार, I wanted to use these Vega products to style myself. They look so cool. कैसे लग रहे हैं?
Not bad. I'm sure your stylist will approve.
Welcome to the Groom Guide by Vijay Sales. I am Bhavna Munjal and today we are talking about something I genuinely love. Doing your own hair and still looking like you have just stepped out of a salon. Well, यहाँ पे हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं वेगा की स्टाइलिंग सेट that includes hair dryer, straightener, volumizer and the curler. Vega styling set, hair dryer, straightener and curler in one. Before we jump into the gadgets, quick word on Vega. They are one of the India's big names in DIY styling. And today, we are building our styling set with their cool products. So let's start our set with Vega Diva Glam Hair Straightener. Well, this one is for those sleek hair days when you want everything smooth and sharp. इसकी जो plates है उसमें ceramic की coating है infused with keratin and argan oil. So while you straighten your hair, you are also adding a bit of a shine and care instead of frying your hair. It has floating plates that adjust to your hair and reduce tugging, which makes styling more comfortable. इसमें आपको 6 टेम्परेचर सेटिंग्स भी मिल रही हैं, तो आप 130 से लेके 230 डिग्री तक टेम्परेचर सेट कर सकते हैं. सो वेदर योर हेयर इज फाइन, वेवी और थिक, you can match the heat to your type. It heats up in 30 seconds, has a display setting, an easy lock system and a 1-hour auto cut off for safety. Plus इसमें आपको मिल रही है 360 degree swivel cord, which means you can twist and turn without doing yoga with your wire. Now, if you like that blowout look, but you do not want to juggle a brush and a dryer, well, this Vega Lit Style L3 Volumizer Hair Dryer Brush is such a vibe. Think of it as a 3-in-1 hot air brush that dries, smooths and adds volume at the same time. Basically, ये सब कुछ करता है. The barrel is tourmaline ceramic coated, which helps control frizz and gives a smoother finish as the hot air flows through. There is a 360 degree airflow vent that surrounds your hair, so styling feels faster and more even. You get 3 heat and 2 speed settings to play with, which makes it easy to adjust for thin, medium or thick hair. It is lightweight, travel friendly and great for anyone who wants salon-like blowouts at home without doing a full arm workout. Morning rush ho ya date night, this one really simplifies styling. Straight hair is nice, blowouts are fun, but some days you just want curls that actually stay. This is when the Vega E-Curl 19mm curler comes in. The 19mm barrel is perfect for tight curls or defined waves depending on how much hair you wrap. It has a ceramic coated barrel for even heat and smoother curls, plus a clamp so you do not have to hold the hair with your fingers near the heat. इसमें आपको on off का switch मिल रहा है with an indicator light, so you always know when it is on, and a safety stand so you can place it down between sections without burning your counter. इसमें maximum temperature 200 degrees तक जाता है, which I believe is enough for most hair types. And the 360 degree swivel cord keeps the whole process tangle free. Party look ho ya casual curls, this one makes it easy. To complete the set, let us talk about power. The Vega Blow Pro 2200 to 2400 watt hair dryer is for those who want quick drying and proper control while styling. The motor is strong enough to handle all hair types and length. तो अगर आपके बाल thick भी है, it will dry it much faster. You get a combination of 4 heat and 2 speed settings, which means you can go gentle when you just want to dry or higher speed when you're styling with a brush. There is a cool short button that gives a burst of cool air to set your style in place, which really helps your blowout last longer. It comes with a concentrator nozzle for focused airflow, a diffuser attachment for enhancing curls and waves, and even a comb nozzle that helps detangle as you dry. Thermal cutoff protection is built in for safety, so you can use it with peace of mind. So that is your Vega Styling Squad, a powerful dryer, a quick straightener, a volumizing dryer brush and a curl wand to switch up the vibe. Basically, straight, wavy, curly, full volume आप सब कर सकते हैं खुद से घर पर. You can check out all these Vega tools at a Vijay Sales store near you and on vijaysales.com. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I am Bhavna Munjal and this is the Groom Guide by Vijay Sales. I'll see you again soon. Until then, happy styling.